Welcome to Chart Traders. Today you will learn Williamson percentile R indicator, how to trade using Williams percentile R indicator, and we are going to do analysis and the performance of the Williams percentile R indicator. So let's get started. So it is also known as Williams percentile range, and it is a momentum indicator that is developed by Larry Williams. Okay, it is move between 0 and -100, and it measures the overbought and oversold levels. Okay, so the percentile R may be used to find entry and exit point in the market. Okay, and most important is it is used, or it is measure a stock closing price to the high low range of the specific period. And if you are going to take percentile R, okay, that is a 14 period, and when it is cross over the -80 and -20, that is your oversold and overbought zone. So whenever it is going to cross -20, it is known as overbought zone. When it is cross -80, then it is known as oversold zone. So it measures the stock closing stock price in the last 14 days high and low. Okay, so whenever it is going to cross -80, it is low in the last 14 days. When it is going to cross -80, it is nearly equal to high of last 40 days. So it also measures the high and low of your previous 14 day. It is a calculation that is used to calculate the Williamson percentile R. Just pause the video and you can see. We are not going to see in details. Now, in order to add Williamson, just go to studies and here add Williamson percentile R, and it is going to ask period, overbought zone and oversold zone. So it is oscillate here, highest point, this is point is 0, highest point, this is -100. So it is oscillate between 0 and 100. This -20 is a overbought zone and -80 is a oversold zone. So whenever this Williamson crosses 80, it is crosses the previous 14-day high. Okay, whenever it is going to cross -80, it is going to crosses previous 14-day low. So we will see with the help of example. See here, we can see it is crossing here -20. Okay, so at this candle, so around at this point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, so it is nearly around the high of previous 14 day. So it measured the high and low of previous end period. If you are going to take here 20, it is going to calculate 20 days high and low and compare. Same way here, see we are crossing. So at this point it is crossing the previous 14-day high. Okay, again here, so it is going to cross previous 14-day high. Okay, same way here, if you are going to see low at this point, so it is going to make a low of previous 14 candle. If candle is 5 minutes, then 14 into 5. If candle is 1 day, then 14 into 1 day. So according to the time frame, it is going to calculate the high and low. But it is used to find out high and low of previous and candle. Okay, if time frame is 5 minutes, then 14 into 5. Okay, if 1 day, then 14 into 1 day, so 14 day. So likewise you can easily identify high and low, okay, on a chart with the help of Williamson percentile R. Now how to trade? So first method is simply whenever it is going to do a breakout, you are going to buy. So I am going to buy here. Breakout, I am going to buy here. Breakout, I am going to buy here. Okay, so simply whenever breakout happen, you will buy. Okay, that is -20. Whenever it is going to break down -20 here, then you are going to sold. At this point I am going to sold for some profit. Okay, but it shows low made in from last 14 candle. Okay, now in order to analyze the performance of the indicator, I am going to use streak. Now in order to analyze the performance and the accuracy of the Williamson percentile R, I am going to use streak. So in a streak, I have written Nifty future 5-minute chart. I want to buy one lot when Williamson R crosses above -20, that is breakout. Okay, and stop loss is strictly 0.5 and 1 percentile. I am going to apply on candlestick and order is MIS. Just name is given, save and backtest. So we can see 83 signals generated, out of 83, 34 win, 49 losses. So accuracy is around 40 percentile or 45 percentile. The profit is less compared to others. Normally it measured the high and low breakout, okay, last 14 candle. So you can you can use this Williamson R in a trading setup to measure the high and low, that is the price action. Okay, so if you remove the brokerage, profit is around 5,000, so it's not good a profit, but the purpose of the Williamson R is different. Okay, if you are going to use on a daily basis, then you can buy here when it is crossing -20, because see, if you are going to consider 1 day chart, okay, so it's came out from low, okay, so you can buy here up to this profit. Okay, here came out, you can buy it up to this profit. Okay, so it's measured, uh, so break low made and then came out from the low, so now you can buy. So if you are going to use on a daily basis, so when Williamson crosses -20, sorry, -80 above side, then you have to buy. Okay, but if you are going to take small time frame, that like 5 minutes, then we want to capture this moment, that is a breakout, high breakout, so we are going to buy here at this point. Okay, here and here. Okay, so we can see that total number of signal 83, 34 wins, 49 loss, continuous 5 winning streak, losing streak 9. So maximum gain is 7,000, maximum loss is -3698. Okay, maximum drawdown is very high, that is -8 percentile. Okay, so if you want to reduce, you have to add more indicator, but it gives a good signal, and you have to find out the perfect exit point. Okay, because it is going to give 7,000 profit also in a one trade. Okay, and maximum loss is fixed 0.5, so you can apply exit and you can apply one more indicator in order to identify exit, perfect entry and perfect exit. And period return is 4 percentile. Even you can see here transaction history. Okay, so just see one, analyze one TP. So on a 28 May, okay, so on a 28 May here, okay, what is the time on a 28 May? 9:55. Okay, so 9:50 here breakout, we are going to buy here. And what is the exit point? And 11:45, so that is your exit point, 11:45 here, target achieve. Okay, so this movement we can capture with the help of MFI. Okay, if you want, once your algorithm is giving a good accuracy, you can make a live. So in order to make live, just click here and deploy. So when you are going to deploy, okay, it asking for different parameter. So quantity, strategy live for 1 week, so maximum number of trade, that is a 5 per day. MIS order, you can put CNC also. Variety, that is regular and bracket. If you want to do a virtual trading, that is a paper trading, order will not put in your trading account, but you can Strict will maintain a log and you can see buy price, buy time, sell price, sell time. So sell, you can click on paper trade. If you want to take live, just click on take live. So here it is going to make a live, and once entry or exit happen, here we can see notification like this. Okay, that is a live strategy I have applied in paper trading. You can see notification and you can buy from here. Here you have to click buy and it will place order in a Zerodha if you have login with Zerodha account. Okay, same time sell also generated and you have to click. Okay, so the streak will generate a signal, manually you have to click buy and sell it. Okay, that is one manual process in the algo trading. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share with others. Thank you.